Hi, my name's Kathleen, and I grew up in Montessori until 8th grade. And the entire time I was, of course, doing math on math materials from Montessori. And it wasn't until I got on to high school and college to work on my math degree that I realized that the materials are part of the reason that I could excel so well in the subject. I could understand the logic behind what had come in every subject matter in math. And my peers who struggled a lot with many of the subjects, they didn't understand why fractions, were the same as decimals, were the same as percents. They didn't understand, that there were multiple ways to find the answer to a square. They didn't understand that one thing can be looked at from many different ways, and that any math problem can be solved from multiple different angles. And you can look at almost anything and still get the same answer. Math is something that can be achieved visually and kinesthetically and auditorily. It can be a very left-brained subject or a very right-brained one, so long as the person understands the basics behind it and gets the concrete materials to set them up to succeed. If you only teach the rules, then you get to higher math and can't see any way to look at it except for a set of rules. You get to a problem that you can't solve because it doesn't fit the rules, and you can't realize that you just have to manipulate a little bit more. Almost anyone would be better off if they could really learn what's behind mathematics by starting off with materials, by starting off with the concrete and abstracting later on. I just gotta say that as a future mathematician, I'm just asking, help your kids out and stick with the materials, give them a fighting chance.